Yeah, what's up guys? Today is a yoga day, so I am making a video of it. So we can do now, but you can follow me. Yes. Then okay. Now we can start without wasting the time. Let's go. So we can first do omkar. Okay, you can fold your hands, means first you can fold your legs, then hands in Dhanarudra, back straight and close your eyes. Then you can say omkar. So you can say a softly omkar. Okay. Like this you can do 20 or 25 times. Then we can do the Gayatri mantra. Okay, then hands in Dhanasudra, back straight and close your eyes. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo न प्रचोदयात्. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo न प्रचोदयात्. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo न प्रचोदयात्. Like this you can do 20 or 10 times, okay, or 15. How much you can times you want to do, so you can do it. Okay, okay or not. Okay.
दादा स्टॉप केलं का हा त्याचं गायला ना मानलेलं आता डबल काढू आपण ते आहे ना कामाचं आहे ना